Today, we're going to learn how to decode a two-syllable word. How do you know it's a two-syllable word? Because there's two vowels and they're far apart. And I like to use tiles because these tiles, we can move them. It makes it multisensory for the student to learn and they can visually see it. Okay, so let's make this easy. I tell them they have to know who the vowels are, the consonants are, and this right here is a digraph. There's two letters on one tile and it will make one sound k. Okay, let's divide this word up. Okay, so you take the first vowel and you move it that way. Then you go to the second vowel, that's the second vowel, and you're gonna move it towards the end. You're left with one tile and you're never gonna divide these up. That's why it's on one tile. And usually what you do is you slide this to the end and you try it. Now this right here is an open syllable because it ends with the vowel, and notice it's open, it can move, it can make its long sound O. It's making that long sound, long movement O. And over here, this would be called a closed syllable because it ends with a consonant, and this is closing this vowel up so it can't hardly move, it can just make its short sound, eh. So then now they can touch it and read it. Roquette. Did that make a word? It did not. When it doesn't make a word, then we go back to this. Remember we slid it towards the end? Now we slide it this way. And we try it this way. And this is going to work because CK, it ends the word or syllable. Notice this is the end. Here it was in the beginning. So this is why it's working. So if you know CK ends a syllable, this ends that syllable there. Okay, now this is a closed syllable because one or two consonants can close this up, and this makes a short sound, ah. Here, this is still a closed syllable because that's closing it up. This will say eh. So read it, rock-et. Make it into a real word, rock-it. The schwa sound happened here, making that I sound, rock-it. You just taught them how to decode a two-syllable word in just a few minutes by making it multisensory.